Living alone can be a deeply personal journey, especially for older adults. At first glance, it may seem like a dream come true. The freedom to create your own schedule, enjoy peace and solitude, and reclaim the independence that might have been lost in previous years. However, there's a side to this experience that isn't often discussed. When you hear the term living alone, images of cozy evenings and quiet reflection might come to mind. Yet the reality can be quite different. The silence of an empty home can become deafening, and moments of solitude can transform into feelings of isolation. As we age, many of us find ourselves living alone due to various circumstances: children moving out, the loss of a partner, or a choice made for personal growth. However, this new chapter can bring unexpected challenges that aren't typically shared in mainstream conversations. While society often glorifies the notion of independence, it can sometimes gloss over the emotional and practical difficulties that accompany it. This video aims to shed light on these 7 unspoken truths and provide insights that resonate with those navigating this path. We'll explore how silence can feel overwhelming, how home maintenance can become more challenging, and how loneliness can seep in when connections with friends and family diminish. But it's not all daunting. There are solutions and strategies to enhance this experience and reclaim the joys of living alone. So, whether you're currently living alone or contemplating it, stay tuned as we delve into the realities of this life stage, offering support and community along the way. Let's unravel the truths together and discover how to thrive in this new chapter of life. Number 1. The silence can be overwhelming. One of the most surprising aspects of living alone as an older person is the overwhelming silence that can fill your home. While solitude can provide a sense of peace, it can also become daunting. When you're accustomed to the sounds of family life, conversations, laughter, and even the bustle of everyday activities, transitioning to an empty space can feel isolating. The absence of these familiar sounds might lead to feelings of loneliness and even anxiety. In moments of quiet, thoughts can amplify and worries can creep in, making the silence feel heavier. This is especially true during evenings or weekends when the outside world seems busy and vibrant, but you're left with the echoes of your own solitude. It's crucial to recognize that this is a common experience for many older adults, and that there are ways to mitigate these feelings. To counteract the silence, consider finding hobbies that engage your mind and spirit. Listening to music or audiobooks can create a comforting background noise that fills the space and uplifts your mood. Additionally, having a pet can be incredibly beneficial. Their presence not only brings companionship, but also liveliness to your home. Engaging in community activities, whether through clubs or classes, can also help foster connections and reduce the feeling of isolation. Remember, it's important to actively seek ways to fill the silence with joy and connection, transforming it into a backdrop for a fulfilling life. Number 2. Home maintenance becomes a challenge. As we age, the responsibilities of home maintenance can transform from manageable tasks into significant challenges. Simple chores that were once second nature, like climbing a ladder to change a light bulb or tackling yard work, can become physically demanding and even daunting. The prospect of managing these tasks alone can lead to anxiety and frustration, especially when the home begins to require more upkeep than one can comfortably handle. Many older adults find themselves facing repairs they once relied on family members or partners to assist with. A leaky faucet, a broken appliance, or an overflowing gutter can feel overwhelming when there's no one to lend a hand. This is not only a physical challenge, but also an emotional one, as the inability to maintain one's home can lead to feelings of inadequacy or a sense of loss of independence. However, there are solutions that can help ease these burdens. Hiring professionals for routine maintenance and repairs can take the weight off your shoulders, allowing you to enjoy your living space without the stress of looming tasks. Many communities also offer services specifically for seniors, providing affordable help for home upkeep. Additionally, connecting with neighbors or local volunteer groups can lead to finding reliable support for those tougher jobs. Embracing these resources can turn home maintenance from a source of stress into an opportunity for community connection, helping you maintain your independence while ensuring your home remains a safe and comfortable place to live. Number 3. The risk of health issues. Living alone as an older person introduces a new layer of concern regarding health and safety. With age, the risk of health issues naturally increases, and the solitude of living alone can amplify fears about what might happen in the event of a medical emergency. It's not uncommon to worry about falls, sudden illnesses, or even just managing daily medications, especially when there's no one nearby to assist. This heightened awareness of potential health risks can lead to anxiety. The thought of being alone during a health crisis, such as a fall or heart problem, can be distressing. In such moments, the lack of immediate support can be intimidating, making it essential to take proactive measures to ensure safety. To address these concerns, it's crucial to invest in medical alert systems that provide immediate assistance at the press of a button. Many modern systems can connect directly to emergency services, offering peace of mind and an added layer of security. Additionally, regular health check-ins with family members or close friends can create a support network that fosters connection and accountability. Incorporating daily routines focused on health, like regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and mental well-being, can also significantly enhance overall well-being. Consider joining local exercise classes designed for seniors or utilizing community resources that promote healthy living. By actively managing your health and building a supportive community, you can navigate the challenges of living alone while prioritizing your safety and well-being. Number 4. Cooking for one isn't always fun. Cooking for one can be one of the less enjoyable aspects of living alone as an older person. While the freedom to prepare meals at your own pace may initially seem appealing, many find that the novelty quickly wears off. Preparing a full meal for just one person can feel like a chore, often leading to unhealthy eating habits or even skipping meals altogether. When living alone, it's easy to fall into the trap of convenience, opting for quick, processed meals instead of taking the time to prepare something nutritious. This can have negative implications for both physical and mental health. Meals that lack balance can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and various health issues, ultimately affecting overall well-being. To combat this challenge, consider exploring meal planning and batch cooking. Preparing larger portions at once can save time and ensure you have healthy meals readily available throughout the week. Freezing portions for later can help avoid the fatigue that often comes with daily cooking. There are also many meal delivery services designed specifically for seniors, offering nutritious meals that require minimal preparation. Another great option is to join cooking classes or community kitchens that cater to older adults. These programs not only teach valuable skills, but also provide opportunities for social interaction, making cooking a more enjoyable experience. Embracing these strategies can transform cooking from a mundane task into an opportunity for nourishment, creativity, and even connection with others. By prioritizing meal preparation, you can enhance your quality of life while enjoying the independence that comes with living alone. Number 5. Loneliness and social isolation. One of the most profound challenges of living alone as an older person is the risk of loneliness and social isolation. As we age, social circles often shrink due to various factors: retirement, the loss of friends or family, or decreased mobility. The quiet of an empty home can magnify feelings of loneliness, leading to a cycle that can be difficult to break. While solitude can offer a sense of peace, prolonged isolation can have negative effects on mental health, leading to feelings of sadness and even depression. It's crucial to recognize that you are not alone in experiencing these feelings. Many older adults face similar struggles. The absence of regular social interactions can lead to a sense of disconnect from the world, making it essential to find ways to engage with others. To combat loneliness, consider exploring local community resources designed for seniors. Many towns and cities offer programs, clubs, and activities tailored to older adults, providing opportunities for social interaction. Volunteering is another excellent way to meet new people while contributing to a cause you care about. Additionally, staying in touch with family and friends through phone calls, video chats, or social media can foster meaningful connections, even from a distance. Number 6. Financial management can be tricky. As we grow older, managing finances can become increasingly complex, especially when living alone. The responsibility of handling bills, budgeting, and planning for future expenses can feel overwhelming for many seniors. Without a partner to share these responsibilities, navigating the intricacies of financial management can lead to stress and anxiety. One of the main challenges is ensuring that all bills are paid on time, which can become more difficult with age. Memory lapses or health issues may affect one's ability to track expenses, leading to late fees or service interruptions. Furthermore, the fear of running out of savings or mismanaging funds can loom large, making financial planning a source of constant worry. However, there are practical steps that can help simplify financial management. Creating a clear budget that outlines income and expenses is crucial. Using financial apps or software designed for seniors can also make tracking finances easier and more accessible. Consider automating recurring payments for bills to ensure they are paid on time, reducing the risk of missed payments. Seeking assistance from trusted family members or financial advisors can provide additional support. Many community organizations offer free financial counseling services for seniors, which can help in creating a comprehensive financial plan. Additionally, discussing financial matters openly with loved ones can alleviate stress and ensure that someone is keeping an eye on your financial well-being. By taking proactive steps to manage finances, you can regain confidence and security in your financial situation, allowing you to focus on enjoying your independence while living alone. Number 7. The joy of independence. Despite the challenges that come with living alone as an older person, there is a unique and empowering joy that accompanies this newfound independence. The freedom to make your own choices, be it what to eat, when to sleep, or how to spend your day, can be incredibly liberating. For many, this independence represents a long-awaited opportunity to reclaim their life and explore new interests, hobbies, and passions. Living alone allows you to create an environment that truly reflects your personality and preferences. You can decorate your space however you like, curate your daily routines, and enjoy the peace and quiet that suits your lifestyle. This sense of control can enhance feelings of self-worth and satisfaction, making it a fulfilling experience despite any challenges. Embracing this independence can lead to personal growth and discovery. It's a chance to try new things, whether that's pursuing a long-forgotten hobby, taking classes, or traveling to places you've always wanted to visit. Engaging in activities that bring joy can help cultivate a positive mindset and enrich your daily life. Additionally, living independently encourages you to build a support network that aligns with your values and interests. By actively seeking friendships and community involvement, you create a social environment that enhances your independence. Remember, independence doesn't mean isolation. It's about fostering connections while enjoying the freedom to choose your path. Ultimately, living alone as an older person can be an empowering journey filled with opportunities for self-discovery, personal fulfillment, and joy. By embracing this chapter of life, you can navigate its challenges while celebrating the unique gifts that come with independence. Conclusion. Living alone as an older person comes with a unique set of challenges and rewards that are often not discussed openly. Throughout this journey, it's essential to acknowledge the difficulties, such as dealing with silence, managing home maintenance, addressing health concerns, cooking for one, and coping with loneliness. However, each challenge also presents an opportunity for growth and connection. By implementing proactive solutions, such as investing in medical alert systems, meal planning, and seeking social engagements, you can create a supportive and enriching living environment. Remember, you're not alone in facing these struggles. Many others share similar experiences and feelings. The key takeaway is that independence can be a beautiful and fulfilling aspect of living alone. It allows for self-expression, personal growth, and the chance to cultivate a life that aligns with your values and desires. By embracing this independence, you can explore new interests, foster meaningful connections, and create a home that truly reflects who you are. As you navigate this journey, know that it's okay to seek help and build a support network. Whether through community programs, family involvement, or friendships, these connections can provide comfort and reassurance in times of need. In conclusion, living alone as an older person may have its challenges, but it also holds the potential for joy, fulfillment, and new beginnings. By focusing on the positives and embracing the freedom that comes with this phase of life, you can thrive and enjoy every moment of your journey. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, living alone doesn't have to mean being alone. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about living well and thriving in your golden years, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community by clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more content to inspire and empower older adults. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.